In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar with Slack. This integration is a fantastic way to ensure that you never miss important notifications or updates from your calendar right within Slack. It brings your schedules and reminders directly to the place where you're already collaborating with your team. Let's start by making sure you're logged into your Slack account. Once you're in, take a glance at your homepage dashboard. What you're looking for is the section where you can add apps. This is usually right there on the left sidebar, a key resource for enhancing your Slack workspace with additional tools and functionalities. When you locate the Add Apps button, go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to a vast selection of integrations that can make Slack even more powerful for your business or personal use. From here, you'll be transported to the Slack Apps page. It resembles visiting a mini app store dedicated to Slack, packed with apps tailored to boost your productivity and communication. In the search bar on this page, type in Google Calendar. The aim here is to quickly find the Google Calendar app to initiate the integration process. Once Google Calendar pops up in the search results, click on it. You'll be prompted with an option to install the app. Select Install. This action sets the stage for linking these two platforms. Now, a crucial step is to click on Add to Slack. What this does is effectively begin the process of embedding Google Calendar into your Slack environment. You'll then be directed to a permissions page. It might sound like a bureaucratic step, but it's essential to allow Slack and Google Calendar to communicate seamlessly. On this page, simply click Allow. By doing this, you're giving the green light for this integration to function without a hitch, granting necessary permissions so Google Calendar notifications can appear in Slack. After you've confirmed the permissions, head back to your Slack homepage. You can do so with a simple click on the Slack icon in the top left corner, taking you back to familiar territory where you normally operate your Slack activities. Now here's the exciting part. You should see Google Calendar conveniently integrated into your Slack interface. This successful link now means you're poised to receive all your Google Calendar notifications directly in Slack. Whether it's meeting alerts or upcoming event reminders, you won't have to check multiple platforms. Everything is in one place, making it easier to manage your day from Slack. And that's it. You've successfully linked Google Calendar with Slack. Enjoy this powerful integration that keeps you organized and on top of your schedule without ever having to leave your Slack conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more tips on optimizing your digital workspace.